Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here, and in this video I want to give you an update in terms of what has been happening with this exact system that I recently joined and of course aligned with. And what's really cool about what I'm going to show you in this video is I'm going to show you exactly how complete newbies are earning big $2,000 days online. If you're someone that wants to earn up to $2,000 per day online, even as a complete newbie, then I'm going to show you exactly how myself and other members are doing this, but simply by leveraging a proven system, right? What's great about this is you don't have to worry about doing any sort of selling yourself. You don't have to worry about getting on phone calls with people. You don't have to worry about recording your own videos or writing your own emails or putting together these presentations. This system is designed to take care of pretty much all of those things for you. And the only thing that you really need is simply to get people over to one link, right? You send traffic over to a link, and the system literally takes care of the rest. So it's a pretty phenomenal system. And just to give you an idea, right, this is just from the first income stream alone. Since joining this particular system, I've earned over 2,000 bucks just from the first income stream alone, right? And I want to show you not just my results, but results from tons of other members that are using this as well, right? So here you see Jeff Ruiz. Another $2,000 commission came in from income stream 1 and another 300 bucks from income stream 2. So he also got another $2,000 day, I think like a day or two prior. And so that is over 4,000 bucks within one particular weekend while relaxing with the family. So the question that I want to ask you is, if you are someone that wants to earn a full-time income online. So I'm going to assume that if you're watching this video, you are probably working a 9-to-5 job right now. Nothing wrong with that. And so I'm assuming that you work, probably 40 hours a week, right? And so you earn a particular amount per paycheck, right? So you probably get, I don't know, 3,000 per month or 4,000, might be 5,000, might be 2,000, might be 10,000, whatever the case is. The question that I want to ask you is, how many of these do you need per month in order to hit a full-time income? Really think about that for a minute, right? If your income goal is, let's say, 4,000 bucks a month, how many of these do you need just in 1 month would you need in order to hit a full-time income? If you do the math, it's only two of these that you would need per month in order to hit a full-time income, and that alone can pretty much take care of all of your expenses, all of your living expenses, and then that could be enough for you to potentially quit your job and go full-time. So this right here just goes to show the power of this exact system and why it's working so well for complete newbies, right? And so what makes the system unique compared to a lot of other ones out there is, and you might have seen this if you've ever joined any other, business opportunity or any other thing like that, right? You get in, and then typically there's like one or two people that are just, really crushing it, right? They are making, a huge amount, per month, right? And then everyone else is just kind of making like, part-time income here and there at most, like a couple, little commissions here and there. And then everyone else is just kind of looking up at the, at the top people, just like, oh, that's nice. I hope I can get there someday, right? With this system, it's the complete opposite. Everyone is on, the same, the entire playing field is all leveled out. And so, as you could see, there's tons of people. Majority of these people in this group are completely brand new. Now, Paolo Berenguel, he's been in this space for a while, so he's done over 9,000 with very recently. So, but as you can see right here, Nate, another 2K commission rolled in from income stream 1 while watching a TV show. So that's another one that he got right there. And we got Jeff Ruiz, another $2,000 commission. We have David Deacle, he's the creator of the program, giving an update. Rob Frazier, 2,000 bucks. Here's David Deacle again, showing more members getting commissions. We have Alan right here, $25 commission. Sam, 525 and 24 hours of joining. So pretty cool right there. And as you can see, the list just goes on and on, right? We got Joshua Elder here, another 2,000, over 6,000 in just 4 days alone. So again, really think about that. Just 3 of these is 6,000 that he made. And he was able to do that in just 4 days of, promoting this, right? As you can see here, he bought a Lamborghini with this exact system, which is pretty cool. Here we have another member, by the name of Alan again. So got a $2,000 commission. And we got David, 900 bucks in 3 hours. And as you can see, the list just goes on and on, right? We have, here's me right here. I got 2 of these in a particular day, which was 50 bucks. And then I had another one that came in a few days prior, which is 250. We have Julius, 100 bucks right here. And so again, I can keep going, and keep scrolling, but by this point you get the idea, right? So what I want to do is I want to show you exactly how to get access to this system. And I'm also going to give you a really cool bonus when you decide to take action in this video. And I've got 2 really cool bonuses that I want to give you that are going to help you maximize your results, give you some free traffic over to your link, which that's pretty much the main thing that you need. And of course, I will also give you free training, over-the-shoulder training that's going to help you even more, right? So stick with me for that. But what you want to do to get access to this exact system is right below this video, the first link down below is going to take you over to a page that looks like this. This is just one version of the capture page right here. And so all you want to do is just simply enter your email on the page, and then you want to click on this button, and that will take you over to the next page, which is where you will see the welcome video from David. And then, of course, you'll see even more testimonials. And again, the thing that I really want to emphasize here is the amount of newbies that are earning consistent 4-figure days online. Really think about that for a minute, right? This is life-changing income. And yeah, as you can see, the list just goes on and on. Page just endless, filled with members getting these big $2,000 commissions, which is absolutely phenomenal when you really think about it, right? It's absolutely life-changing. And yeah, so as you can see, it just keeps going on and on. Just more $2,000 commissions. And yeah, so all you want to do here is just get on the webinar by clicking on this yellow button right here. So you just want to click on this, watch the webinar all the way through. And then once you get to the end of the webinar, you'll be prompted to create a free account with Profits Passport. That's the name of the system. And so once you get logged in, pretty much all there is to it, it's a simple, like 10-minute setup process. You just watch this quick video to see exactly what to do. And then you just want to set up the 4 income streams that are inside of here. So there's 4 income streams you could earn with the system. And just keep in mind, right, all of these results that I showed right here, these $2,000 commissions, these are all just from the first income stream alone. That doesn't even include the other 3 that are in here that could also pay very generously. But majority of what you'll make with the system is going to come from the first income stream, which is really the most important one, right? So what you want to do is you want to watch the video and then come down here to activate your income streams, right? Now, the main one that you want to activate is, of course, the first one. And so this is the one that allows you to earn up to 2,000 bucks, per sale, right? So you just click on this button to create a free account. And then once you, of course, get logged in, you want to go to where it says My Packages. And then you'll want to upgrade your account to one of these levels right here. Now, in order to qualify for these big $2,000 commissions that I showed right here, you want to be a member of the Vertex Live package right here. This is a one-time payment of $2,500 right here. And once you have this activated, you don't have to worry about any more payments. You don't have to worry about any other like monthly fees or anything along those lines. You pay this one time and you have access to this for life. You have access to all the training that you get in here, plus all the lower levels at no additional cost to you. And then, of course, you could earn on this level and everything else as many times as you want. Now, alternatively, you can join at like a low level, like 30 bucks right here. But the problem is you're only going to be eligible to earn, 25 bucks for this level and not anything else, right? So it benefits you to come in at the highest level possible so that this way you could start to earn these big commissions as well, like pretty much all these members that I showed you right here. And again, the thing that I really want to emphasize is the amount of people that are succeeding with this exact system, people who are brand new, people who are just getting started online, who are getting these massive commissions, right? So you want to come in at the highest level that you can. And when you do that, when you come in at the $2,500 level, all you want to do is you just want to take your username at the top, highlight it, copy it, and then you just simply paste it in the field right here, click on save. And when you do that, you'll be eligible to earn these big $2,000 commissions. And from there, all there is to it is you just focus on sharing this one link right here, right? You get people over to this link, people opt in, they request more information, and the system literally takes care of all the rest. You don't have to worry about getting on the phone with people. You don't have to worry about recording your own webinar or recording your own videos. This system does all that for you. You don't have to worry about writing your own emails. The system does that for you. You just focus on traffic. Just focus on the one thing that really is the most important thing to learn online, is learning how to generate traffic, right? The more you can do this, the better results that you'll have online in general. Not just with this, but literally with anything that you decide to become a part of, right? It's really just a matter of learning how to get attention, right? Attention is a new form of, is really a form of currency when you think about it, right? So the more clicks that you get over to the link, better results that you'll have. And so what I want to go over right now is some really cool bonuses that when you decide to get started down below, I will give you 2 really cool bonuses that are going to help you maximize your results with the system, right? So first and foremost, I'm going to give you free traffic over to your link. So in other words, I'm going to promote your link for you. I'm going to set up a traffic campaign and promote your link for you on your behalf, so that you, as a complete newbie, when you're just getting started and before you have the chance to build any sort of momentum yourself, I will help you build some momentum for you by getting free traffic over to your link. How will I do that? What I will do is I will go over to the 4th income stream inside of here, which is Traffic Authority, and I will set up a traffic campaign for you. I will pay for this traffic campaign with my own money, and I will put in your link down in this field and promote your link for you. So in order to qualify for this, what you'll want to do is you want to simply watch the webinar that's down below. You want to set up a free Profits Passport account, and then you'll want to upgrade your E1U Life account. That is the 1st income stream right here. You want to upgrade your account to the Vertex Live level. That is the $2,500 level. You get this activated, the one-time payment, and once you of course are activated at this level and you have that set up in your system, all you want to do is send me a message on Facebook with your Profits Passport link, and I will get this traffic campaign running over to your link, which will be a free bronze package from Traffic Authority, which will get you anywhere from 340 to 380 buyer clicks over to your link. Now, in addition to all of this, what's really cool about this right here, this traffic bonus that you're getting from me doesn't even include the other traffic bonus that is mentioned inside of the webinar. So what's also really great is David Deacle himself, the creator of this exact system, also gives you a free traffic bonus when you decide to, of course, get started. And I'm not going to say anything more because I want you to actually, see it and hear what David Deacle has to say and, see what that's all about yourself. I don't want to spoil that. You'll have to check out the webinar to see what that's all about. But, that's just a little hint in terms of what is in there. And there's a ton of other really cool things that you'll, of course, get as well. But in addition to all of this, I'm also giving you my free training series where I literally show you step by step over the shoulder everything that I'm doing to promote this exact system, right? And I've created this series right here. I have originally put together this series together for another system that I was a part of, and I've made tons of other training series like these, and I've gotten tons of really great feedback on these videos that I have made for my members that have partnered with me in different programs, right? So I've helped a lot of newbies get started online, get some really great results. But what makes this even better is I've updated this training. And on top of that, you have a system like this that is pretty much where 90+% of the work is done for you. You just have to worry about getting traffic, which I show you multiple ways on how to get traffic over to your link. And so the most important thing here, once you have your system set up, which maybe takes like less than 10 minutes, really all there is to it is getting people over to your link, right? And all you have to do for that is just get really good at one traffic method. That could be Traffic Authority. You could, if you want to just pay for clicks and just do that, you could do that, and you could do very well with Traffic Authority alone. Some people do very well with TikTok. Some people do very well with Instagram. Some people do very well with Facebook, right? Some people do very well with YouTube. I show all of these methods inside of this training right here, and all these other methods right here, these other traffic methods, are free. They don't cost you any money, and you can simply leverage these exact methods to, of course, get some great results for yourself. So that being said, I'm literally giving you everything that you need. I'm literally I'm really going out of my way to ensure that you get the best of results with this program. And the reason why I am deciding to give you free traffic is because I want to really give back to, I really want to, pretty much give this as like a thank you for putting your trust in me. And also the reason I create these trainings is because I want to ensure that people who partner up with me in something, nobody feels lost when they, of course, have access to this training, right? So as long as you could follow in the footsteps of what I go over, then there's absolutely no reason that you could fail with this, right? The only reason that you'll fail with the system, I'm gonna just say this right now, the only reason that you will not succeed with this system is if you just sign up and take no action, right? And so that is just, a form of quitting, right? The only reason you'll fail is if you quit, or if you don't follow the training, or if you just decide to kind of give up after 2 minutes if you don't see results, right? Keep in mind, there is, of course, some work to be put in on your end, but the good news is this system takes care of all the heavy lifting for you. You just have to worry about getting traffic. So again, that being said, go down below, go to this page, opt in, watch the webinar that is on this, on this page right here. Go through it, pay close attention to what is revealed in that webinar, and of course, once you get signed up, then I will of course help get you hooked up with my bonuses, and you'll of course get hooked up with the bonuses that David Deagle has as well. So that being said, go down below, get started, and my friend, I will see you in day number 1 in the training series right here. Take care and all the best.